Welcome! In today's video titled Top 8 Vitamins to Look Younger Instantly for Your Skin Tone Naturally, we're diving into the essential vitamins that can help you achieve youthful skin and improve overall health. These vitamins work wonders at the cellular level, targeting wrinkles, fine lines, and boosting skin elasticity. Let's get started. Vitamin A, the cell turnover booster. First up, we have vitamin A, also known as retinol. This vitamin is a game changer for speeding up cell turnover, reducing wrinkles, fine lines, and dark spots. It also supports vision and strengthens the immune system. Add foods like sweet potatoes, carrots, and spinach to your diet, or use topical retinol for direct skin benefits. Vitamin C, the skin brightener. Next is vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that protects your skin from UV rays and pollution. It helps stimulate collagen production, maintaining skin elasticity and giving you a brighter complexion. Try incorporating citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, or use a vitamin C serum to make your skin glow. Vitamin E, the moisturizer. Vitamin E is your skin's natural moisturizer, providing protection from free radicals while enhancing skin elasticity. It reduces signs of aging and hydrates the skin. You can find vitamin E in almonds, sunflower seeds, and avocados, or apply it topically for smoother, softer skin. Vitamin D, the skin repair vitamin. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in skin cell growth, repair, and metabolism. You can get it from sunlight, or from foods like fatty fish, mushrooms, and fortified dairy products. If you're not getting enough sun, consider taking vitamin D supplements to keep your skin glowing and healthy. Vitamin K, the dark circle fighter. Vitamin K helps with reducing dark circles and bruising by strengthening your capillaries. You'll find it in leafy greens like spinach and kale. You can also use eye creams with vitamin K to combat puffiness and under-eye circles for a refreshed look. Vitamin B3, niacinamide, the skin multitasker. Vitamin B3, or niacinamide, is a multitasking vitamin. It improves skin texture, reduces redness, controls oil production, and minimizes fine lines. Foods like turkey, chicken, and fish are great sources, and skincare products containing niacinamide offer effective topical benefits. Collagen, the youthful foundation. Collagen is the foundation of your skin structure, but as we age, collagen production declines. This leads to wrinkles and sagging. Supplementing with collagen restores firmness and improves skin elasticity, giving you a more youthful appearance. Coch 10, the anti-aging antioxidant. Lastly, Coch 10 is a powerful antioxidant that declines with age, increasing oxidative stress and accelerating aging. By supplementing with Coch 10, you can improve your overall health, slow aging, and keep your heart healthy while maintaining a youthful glow. Incorporating these 8 essential vitamins into your diet or skincare routine can give you youthful, glowing skin. You'll not only look younger but feel healthier too. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who could benefit, and subscribe for more health and beauty tips.